Creating a script for safely pushing back aircraft at a Saudi airport facility involves clear communication, coordination, and strict adherence to safety procedures. Here's a sample script tailored for a ground crew pushback operation. Aircraft pushback script for Saudi airport facility preparation and safety check. 1. Ground crew lead. All team members, ensure all equipment is in place and confirm safety checks are complete. 2. Marshalers and tug operator. Confirm all obstacles are cleared from the pushback path. 3. Wing walkers. Position on either side of the aircraft. Verify clearance. Pushback communication, ground to flight deck. Ground crew lead initiates contact with the flight deck. 1. Ground crew lead. Captain, this is ground crew lead. We are ready for pushback. Parking brake set, confirm. 2. Captain, parking brake is set. Ground, confirm clearance for pushback. 3. Ground crew lead. Pushback clearance confirmed. Stand by for brake release. Beginning pushback. Ground crew lead signals tug operator for initial movement. 1. Ground crew lead to tug operator. Begin pushback. Maintain walking speed and keep visual with wing walkers. 2. Wing walkers. Communicate any obstacles. If necessary, all clear left/right. 3. Ground crew lead to flight deck. Pushback in progress. Monitoring all clearances. Mid-pushback and stop at the desired pushback point. 1. Ground crew lead to tug operator. Slow down. Prepare to stop in 3, 2, 1, stop. 2. Tug operator. Halts movement. Final positioning and disengagement. 1. Ground crew lead to flight deck. Pushback complete. Set parking brake. 2. Captain. Parking brake set. 3. Ground crew lead to tug operator. Disengage tug and remove tow bar. Final communication. 1. Ground crew lead to flight deck. Pushback complete. Tug disengaged. Clear to start engines. 2. Captain. Acknowledged, thank you. End of pushback procedure. This script is adaptable to specific conditions and aircraft types and can be modified to meet unique requirements of the Saudi airport facilities' safety protocols.